I'm going to make pumpkin scones. The ingredients are butter, 60 grams, sugar, 1/4 cup, the puree, 1/2 cup, 1 egg, flour, salt, milk, and that's it. So we begin. We begin with the softened butter, 60 grams, and we add 1/4 cup of sugar, and we're going to cream it using only this wooden spatula. So after we cream the butter and the sugar, we're going to add 1/2 cup of the puree pumpkin. And then we're going to mix it all together again. And now we're going to add 1 egg, we add this 1 egg, and we're going to mix it well. Then after this, we're going to add 2.5 cup of the flour with 1/4 teaspoon of salt. So now I'm going to add the 2.5 cup of flour. We need to sieve it. And a 1/2 cup. And And I'm going to add also 1/4 teaspoon of the salt. And we're going to mix it all together again. Need to mix it very good. I already warmed up the oven for 220 degrees. We need to make a dough out of this. And for the last, we're going to add 1/2 cup of milk. We need to add it slowly. As we mix it to make a dough. So we need to make sure that it's well mixed. I put the milk bit by bit. Later we're going to use our hand, but we're also going to use a rolling pin. And we need also a molder. You just need to put it a little bit by bit, not all same time, the 1/2 cup of milk, because it's what we're going to use for to bind the flour, everything. So the dough is now very difficult to mix. Next time maybe I want to try using mixer. It will turn out the same. So you need to look for the consistency of the dough. If for this is a little bit wet, so you need to add some flour just for to make it because we're going to mix it. Need to mix with the hand. So, and we need to put some flour here. So okay. So now we need to roll it. Need to make it flat, round and flat. Then we have a cutter here that we're going to use. I'm going to use a rolling pin. Need to make it a little bit one thick, a little bit thick, but we need to lightly roll the rolling pin. This is the first time I made it, so I'm not so sure how many can I make from this recipe. Now we can use our cutter. And we already have a tray with parchment paper. So we're going to put it. Need to put a little bit of flour around it so it will not be sticky to the dough. You can put here around 9. So this we need to form again Need to put a little bit of flour so it will not stick. This we will cook this for 15 minutes. Okay, our oven is ready, so I need to hurry up for this. This is scones. Later when you want to eat it, you can put jam, strawberry jam. Okay, so now it's ready to go to the oven for 15 minutes. So this is now our pumpkin scones just coming out of the oven. And we can put jam, strawberry jam, or whatever you like inside, and then it's good already for a snack or breakfast. Thanks for watching.